Today I will show you how to download and install the print driver for your Muratec MFX-C2880N. We'll start by opening up a web browser and navigate to www.muratec.com. We will navigate to the drivers and support page. Go ahead and click on drivers. Once you arrive there, you'll find your current product here. We're going to choose the MFX-C2880N. And you'll see that there's two different drivers you can install. One for a Windows, which is a PC, or one for a Mac for your Apple. In this case, we'll choose the Windows download. We'll save the file. Once our file starts to download, what we'll do is just reduce our browser right click on your desktop, click New Folder, and you can name it whatever you like, but I like to name the folder Print Driver so that I know what folder I'm looking for once I extract the files. So we'll go back to our web browser. Depending on which browser you're using, I'm using Firefox, so you can see your progress in the upper right hand corner with the arrow. See the little blue bar is advancing, so we know that our download's getting close to being done. In other browsers, you may find your download in the lower left corner. Oh, looks like we're ready, so I'll click on, not quite. So we'll click on our folder that we downloaded. Extract all. We'll browse to the folder we just created on our desktop. We'll select that folder and we'll go ahead and extract. Once the files have been extracted, we'll be ready to install our print driver. So we'll click on this top folder here, driver. You can either use the Setup 64, which is the wizard, or you can manually install the driver. I just wanted to show you the wizard so you know where to get there. It'll take you through the steps and automatically install it. In this case today, I'm going to choose to manually install my printer. There are times that the wizard doesn't work, so I have a video that shows the wizard process, and another one like this one will be the one that shows you the manual process. So go ahead and navigate to your devices and printers. Once you get to devices and printers, you can click Add Printer. I'm going to choose the printer that I want isn't listed so that I can manually install it. I'll choose Add a Printer using TCP/IP address. Click Next. Under device type, I'm going to say TCP/IP device. I want to manually install everything, so my IP address happens to be 10.1.10.135. Click Next. I have the disk in this case. I can browse here and find the folder that I just downloaded and installed. If you're struggling and you can't find your way there, you could choose from this list. It doesn't always work though, I'll tell you that much. Your model might not be there. So when you can, if you say have disk and you browse and find it, that's always the best case in my opinion. We'll go to our desktop. There's our print driver folder. When you open the driver folder under drivers, you'll see fax, PCL, or PS, which stands for PostScript. I will be choosing PCL, the English version. Say OK. It'll say generic 36C series. Our model falls within that series, that's why I'm choosing it. Say next. Now you can name the printer whatever you like. So if you want to name it Muratec MFX, whatever you like, you can name it. Install. I'm going to choose not to share this printer. Choose next. I always like to print a test page to make sure that the install went correctly, and I'll wait and listen for that page to print out. I can actually hear mine printing already, so I'll go ahead and hit finish. So now the printer's installed. The next thing I like to do is I just like to set my printing defaults. Right out the gate, Muratec sets their printing defaults to be set for two-sided auto color. If you don't want that, like in my case, I'd like it to be one-sided auto color. Right click on the printer, choose Printer Properties, Advanced, Printing Defaults. I'll start with this other tab. I also like to uncheck these three boxes. Quality, there's auto color. If you want grayscale, you can choose grayscale as your default. I'll choose color. And under the layout tab, two-sided, I'm changing that to one-sided for myself. Click apply and OK. And now I've set my printing defaults. And my Muratec MFX-C2880N has been installed and I'm ready to print. Hope this video helps and that you have a great day.